Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Sunday Aseda. With you is Oluwa Korewa. In case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my wonderful YouTube channel. The surest place for you to be when it comes to online Ghana Lotto forecast. As our aim on this channel is to help you identify the best possible numbers to play for the Ghana Lotto games. If that is why you're online today, my advice for you right now is to click on the subscribe button, don't forget, so that you don't miss this channel. Like this video for me at the end. If you eventually like this plan I'm about to show you, then share it with your friends to make a lot of people win Sunday Aseda today. We have a winning today. Let's go straight onto it. Displaying on the screen right now is my WhatsApp number. If you want to be on the WhatsApp side, it is not a paid version. It is absolutely free. Just send I. Let's go straight, guys. Without further ado, let's dive straight into this. On international, this game starts on international at event 480. Where 10 played in last ball winning. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. Expect 86 to play second ball machine. And on Sunday, Aseda at event 161, 10 plays in position, last ball winning. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. 86 will play in position, second ball machine. Before he played this, he played single 3. And this as well, before he played it, he played single 3. Now, from 86 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. 89 would play position, second ball winning. From 86 in second ball machine, 9 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. Expect 89 to play in this position, second ball winning. After 89 plays second ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down again. 17 and 56 to play machine. Now, from 89 in position, 9 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. 17 is going to play in machine, play with 56. After dropping these two numbers in machine, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, double 3 to play first ball winning. After dropping these two to machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, double 3 will play first ball winning. When double 3 plays first ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me take it again, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks again. Did you observe it? 9 from ear to ear. 9 here, another 9 again. This single 3 should counter to position. Play 48. From 33 in position, 9 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 weeks down. That single 3 should counter to position. 48. After 48 plays and play in position, still telling us to go from 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down again. 48 should counter to position, back. After 48, maintain position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks down. It's going to counter back to position. And after 48 counters to position, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down. 1758 plays here. 13 weeks down. 17 will go and maintain first ball winning. Play with 28 in fourth ball winning. 13 weeks down. And on Sunday, Aseda's current, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down. 17 should come from machine to position, play with 28 to position. After setting these two numbers to position, he said 1, 2, 3. 48 that played and counter. 48 should turn. Serve us one free banker, 84. 86 in position should turn from position in winning to last ball machine, play with 84. 84 will drop to winning, 68 will play to machine. And on this one as well, from 1728 in position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 48 in position will turn to winning, and 86 in position will turn to position, last ball machine. It's a go. Sunday Aseda is a go. Now free bonus is telling us now 28 should move freely. Now 28 is going to move freely. Bonus 28. Not just that, 48 in position that turned last week is going to key today. Is going to key today to 15. Play with 28. At the same time, 86 in position that turned to position is supplying us 29 if it shadows. 3 direct live. 28, 15, 29. And this as my event to watch out for after playing these two in position, this position, all these numbers in position. This event is going to supply us a win-win for Sunday Aseda today. So displaying on the screen right now is my prediction for Sunday Aseda. Nobody is an island of knowledge, like I would always say, most especially when I'm dropping my videos at night. I mean midnight. Right now it's 3 a.m. here in Nigeria. Probably work stress and cold. There are some things I might not see in this plan, and me showing it to you for the first time is possible you see them. Don't be stingy with it. Please put it in the comment section. I will make sure I work and reply on. I'll reply to it. Make sure if you see anything, don't win it alone. Show everybody. Put it in the comment section. It will help both you, myself, and other subscribers. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck. Until I see you guys again, don't forget to like this video if you like this plan. If you don't like this plan, don't deceive me. But if you like this movement, please like this video so that I can come up with this type of content for you again. Until I see you guys again, enjoy the rest of your day.